Wow. Was that a burger, eh? Wow. Wow. Jeepers creepers. Give me an uncle. Wow. Yeah. How do you describe that first bite? Well, let me take another bite and I'll tell you. Here we go.
Uncle, thoroughly. Awesome.
No, okay. Now the grease is kicking in. Well, a little bit of grease there, yeah. That'll. Oh, can you hear him? Oh, I feel like a cow. Whoa. All right, what else? There's a little tomato in there. I saw rabbits, like there were rabbits running. We'll cut to that footage of my rabbit that I got in my backyard. Okay. Now, what was the name of that song? See, we need the PRD right now. We do have one.
You talking about rabbit foot? Is that the one you want? Rabbit foot?
Oh, we shot that whole thing upside down. There, that's better. Yeah. Maybe just leave it like, or just do a 90 degree on it like this. And then,
back. I bet it's right side up.
Well, okay, I think I'm watching a Bill Cosby episode right now. There's like, and not even nice stuff. Okay, let's get it. Goodness, it didn't touch. Guys with the snotty cars that like to drive by. This is actually a neat way to hold the camera phone. It seems to be more natural, and I'm not getting in the way of the lens. Now, how can I do a smooth transition from the left hand to whatever's going over on the right, or even straight ahead?
Yeah.
Then I'll have to do an actual hand shift here, which will cause vibration.
Check this dude out.
Now I'm going to turn it off by pressing the red dot with my nose. Okay, it didn't work. Stop! That's enough.